Hello everyone. After 9 basic videos, we will practice today. We will try to make a simple room with whichever techniques we have learned till now. For starting the drawing, first type PL for a polyline, not line. Why are we using polyline instead of line? We have a video on this topic in the playlist. At first, make sure Dynamic Input, Ortho Mode and OSnap are turned on. We already have a separate videos on Dynamic Input, Ortho Mode and OSnap in the playlist. Please see them first. If you haven't seen them, I will attach the links below. Now, click on the screen. We are imagining the length of this room is 10 feet. So just type 10 feet on the keyboard and press enter. We are imagining the width of the room is 9 feet. Just type 9 feet and press enter in this direction. Now again, the length is 10 feet. But on this side of the room, here is a door of 3 feet. So we are deducting 3 feet from the 10 feet. We have to take a 7 feet wall on this side of the room. Then take width again. 9 feet on this side of the room and press enter. We are seeing the room from the top, so we need to consider the wall thickness. We are assuming the wall thickness is 6 inches. So first take the PL command for polyline and this direction go for 6 inch and click. Now on this side, take a thickness of 6 inch. Do not press escape as we are taking a polyline. It will continue until you press escape on the keyboard. Now take a 9 feet 6 inch line. As we took 6 inch thickness previously, on this side, take a 6 inch line for the thickness. On this side, just follow the below wall. It will be 10 feet 6 inch and thickness more 6 inch. Here, just follow this wall. It will be 9 feet 6 inch and thickness more 6 inch. On this side of the wall, it will be 7 feet 6 inch. But we are escaping here. Here, take a polyline from this point and take 6 inch thickness first. And just click here for finishing the room wall. See, it's now look like a real room design top view. Now, we are making a window for this room. For that, just take the PL command and click on the screen. And take 4 feet on this side. Take the thickness of the window as 6 inch. Now, take another 4 feet and click. And just complete the window design. Now, we have to take the window from here to the room. For that, we have to move the window. Select the window and type M and press enter. Now, click on the middle of this side and move the window to the middle of this room. On this wall, midpoint will automatically show if object snap is turned on. Now, click the window again and type CO to copy the window to the other wall. Press enter and select from the midpoint of this side. Now copy the object from this midpoint of the wall and just paste here. See, now the room is perfect and complete. We will design the door afterwards in another practice video. For that, we have to learn more AutoCAD basic techniques. So guys, practice it and comment below if you face any problem or if you have any queries. I will answer. And also let me know if you like this type of practice video. Then I will make more. That's it for today. In the next video, we will learn how to rotate objects faster in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching.